Hi everyone, I am your Dhanasekaran. Today we learn about 12th physics 5th lesson electromagnetic wave, the subtopic of types of spectrum. We see the types of spectrum. Before that, before we know two important points. First one, when an object burns, it emits radiation, that is, it emits electromagnetic radiation which depends on the temperature. If the object becomes hot, it glows in a red color. If the temperature of the object is further increased, then it glow in reddish orange color and become white when it is hottest. Surface of the sun 6000 Kelvin, carbon arc lamp 4000 Kelvin, lamp filament 3000 Kelvin. A beam of light passed through a prism. It split into its 7 constituent colors which can be viewed on the screen as a continuous spectrum. This phenomena is known as dispersion of light. And the defined pattern of color obtained on the screen after dispersion is called as spectrum. Types of spectrum: emispectra and absorption spectra. What is emission spectra? When the spectrum of self-luminous source is taken, we get emission spectrum. Each source has its own characteristics emission spectrum. The emission spectrum can be divided into three types. First one, continuous emission spectrum. If the light from incandescent lamp is allowed to pass through prism, it split up into 7 colors. Thus, it consists of wavelengths containing all the visible color ranging from violet to red. Example, the spectrum obtained from carbon arc and incandescent solids. Second one, line spectrum. Lines emission spectrum. Suppose light from hot gas is allowed to pass through prism. Line spectrum is observed. Line spectrum are also known as discontinuous spectra. The line spectra consist of charged lines of defined wavelength or frequency. Such spectra arise due to excited atoms of elements. These lines are the characteristics of the elements and are different from different elements. Example, spectra of atomic hydrogen, helium and etc. Third one, band emission spectrum. The band spectrum consists of several number of very closely spaced spectral lines which overlap together forming specific band which are separated by a dark spaces. The spectrum has a sharp edge at one end and fade out at the other end. Such spectra arise when the molecules are excited. Band spectrum is the characteristics of the molecules and hence the structure of the molecules can be studied using their band spectra. Example, spectra of ammonium gas in the discharge tube. Absorption spectrum. When light is allowed to pass through a medium, then the spectrum obtained is known as absorption spectrum. It is characteristics of absorption substance. Absorption spectrum is classified into three types. First one, continuous absorption spectrum. When we pass white light through a blue glass plate, it absorbs all the colors except blue and gives continuous absorption spectrum. Second one, line absorption spectrum. When light from incandescent lamp is passed through a cold gas, the spectrum obtained through the dispersion due to prism is line absorption spectrum. Similarly, if the light from the carbon arc is made to pass through sodium vapor, a continuous spectrum of carbon arc with two dark lines in the yellow region are obtained. Third one, band absorption spectrum. When white light is passed through the iodine vapor, dark bands on continuous bright background is obtained. This type of band is also obtained when white light it pass through dilute solution of blood or chlorophyll or through certain solution of organic and inorganic compound. The Fraunhofer line, it is very important 2-mark question. It may be asked in a public exam. When the spectrum obtained from the sun is examined, it consists of large number of dark lines. These dark lines in a solar spectrum are known as Fraunhofer lines. The absorption spectra for various material are compared with the Fraunhofer lines in the solar spectrum, which helps in identifying elements present in the sun atmosphere. I think all of you clearly understanding type of the spectrum. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thanks.